Hi, my name is Saqib Mahmood, and I am a full stack developer with 6 years of experience. During this period, I have trained many fresh graduates, interns, and even developers in different tech fields. Today, we will be discussing the roadmap to backend development with Python. We will discuss everything from programming fundamentals to building your own project. By the end, you will have a clear path to start a career in backend development. First of all, let's talk about Python programming. As far as Python programming is concerned, you should be comfortable applying basic concepts, conditionals, loops, functions, OOP, and classes. You should be able to apply these concepts. You don't need to spend too much time. You just need to spend few days and you should be comfortable applying these concepts that I have mentioned. Once you are comfortable with Python programming, now it's time to choose any of the backend framework for Python. Like you can choose Django, Flask, or FastAPI. These are the most famous backend frameworks in Python. You can choose any of them. The main concept should be to understand the idea of APIs, the methods like get, post, update, delete, and the concepts like permissions, how to give and handle or manage permissions in APIs. Besides this, you should be able to implement the interactions with the database by using ORM or SQL queries. Definitely, you should learn the basics of SQL queries. But as I mentioned earlier, you don't need to go deep down. You will be learning a lot along the way. At this stage, we will make ourselves able to start a career as a backend development. Now, at this stage, you have learned the basic concepts and basic skills to be a backend developer. Now, it's time to practice your learned skills on some project. You can take ideas of a project from ChatGPT or from other sources. I can give you an idea like you can create a platform where you can manage organizations, where you can add, update, delete, and fetch organizations. You can also add employees and associate them with certain organizations. You need to apply all these concepts like permissions, interacting with database, writing APIs, and writing methods like get, update, post, delete. If you're able to apply all the concepts on such a project, then you are ready to work on a real-time project by your own, all alone, or in a development team. As a bonus, you can also explore the things like how to use Git and GitHub. That will be really helpful. As I mentioned earlier, there are lots of things that you need to learn, but you will learn along the way. This is what is required to work in a development team on a real-time project. Thank you very much. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.